apologies, I know I told you guys that the phone had broken on me, but there's no motion on the sensor whatsoever, so I just came here really quick so they can fix it. 50 bucks, not bad. So, no motion whatsoever, so just the screen itself. Alright, so we made it to At Home right now. I think this place is a combination of IKEA and Hobby Lobby. But I got about like 20 minutes right now just to kill. Also, another highlight, they might be able to fix my hard drive. But that's where you guys come in. Comment down below. If you haven't seen the previous video, I'll link it here. It's Lacey versus Seagate. Who would win? So in the meantime, we're just killing time right now. And you wanna have fun? Yeah. Alright, let's go. We just abandoned the cart because there's no need for us to have that. But I guess she wants to bring it with him. Alright, so tech repair just gave me a call right now. The phone is fixed and we're good to go. Thank you very much, brother. You have a good one, man. Have a good one. This guy's fixed my phone. It's really good. About 50 bucks. That's how much they charged me, which is really affordable and also good. Just check them out. It's called Tech Repair. Phone number is right here in the back. Just guys give them a call if you're here in the McAllen area, which is like all the way down in South Texas though. But regardless, really good job. And yeah. I actually wanted to ask you guys, and comment down below, let me know. This is a question for you. Now, would you prefer Seagate or would you prefer Lacey? I don't have Lacey, so I can't really like do the other one.